Technology matters most when it empowers creation. At Flashforge, we believe accessible tools unleash imagination to change the world. That's why we partnered with GCAD for the Light Up a Dream initiative, welcoming West Africa's Conrad Academy. For us, this is never just an equipment handover. We've provided the school with our high-performance Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D printer, starter filaments, and comprehensive training. Beyond hardware, we are delivering a robust 3D design curriculum to ensure this technology genuinely integrates into daily lessons. The students have already begun their journey, turning raw concepts into digital models. For Flashforge, making 3D printing accessible means breaking barriers, opening new doors to STEAM education, and nurturing the next generation of problem solvers. Every creative soul deserves to be empowered. We look forward to seeing how the students of Conrad Academy explore, create, and shape what comes next.